Hey there my friends, Purchase and Turnip Seed here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review. In today's video I want to talk all about the Infinity Processing System compensation plan. I want to go over how you can make money with Infinity Processing System, how the payouts work, and all of that. So let's jump right into it. Let me first start off with talking about what Infinity Processing System is. Infinity Processing System is a digital home-based business opportunity where you can earn instant direct payouts of $50, $150, and $300 to your Cash App, your Stripe, your PayPal, or your Zelle. Okay, now what makes Infinity Processing System great is not just the compensation plan, which I'm going to talk about in a second, but it's also that it is also a training platform. It is a training platform that's going to teach you how to leverage social media, attraction marketing, and posting free ads to be able to attract to you people who are interested in buying your product, service, or opportunity. So you are not inbox hustling, you're not wasting your time, and you can actually create cash flow, which is what most people want to do online. And the good thing is, once you learn these skill sets that are in Infinity Processing System, you have them for a lifetime, and you can use them, rinse and repeat, over and over again to make money promoting whatever it is for a lifetime. Because now you know how to make money on social media. So that's that. Let's jump into this compensation plan and talk about what's great with the Infinity Processing System compensation plan. So I'm going to talk about a few things. The first thing to know about the Infinity Processing System compensation plan is that it's 100% direct payouts. With a lot of MLM companies, even some affiliate companies, they're only going to give you 50%. With this, when you make a commission, someone goes and, let's say you're at the pro level, someone goes and buys a pro level membership, you're going to make $300, not $250, not $200, not 20% of $300, not 50% of $300. You're going to make $300. Someone buys an elite package from you, you're going to make the whole $150. Not a percentage, the whole thing. That's the beauty of 100% direct member-to-member payout programs, and that's exactly what this is. Okay, the next thing is Infinity Processing System gives you payment options that you get to choose which ones you want to use. So on your sales page that they give to you, you pay like, I forget, it's like 15 or 20 bucks or whatever to get a pre-done website. You have the options on that website to do Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, or PayPal. Okay, so for me in my business, I don't mess with PayPal, but I love Cash App, Zelle, and Stripe, and those are payment options that I have on my payment page, and that works for me. Other people love PayPal and they have that as a payment option for them. So you get to choose what payment options works for you and how you want to accept cash flow when a sale comes in, and you can do that because of the different payment options that they give you. The next thing to know about the compensation plan is that there are no monthly fees. Okay, so a lot of businesses, you got to pay every month, rinse and repeat, to maintain whatever it is that you want to promote or make money on. Once you join Infinity Processing System and you buy your package, you don't have monthly fees. Okay, what I think is so powerful about that is, I'm just going to use my own example. I came in when Infinity Processing System came out with the pro level and joined at the pro level, which is a $300 package. And to date, I've made well past $4,000 off of the initial $300. Because every time somebody buy, I didn't have to keep, putting in monthly fees or buy, paying to basically make money. So that's another beauty. Another thing that I already talked about is really powerful, is that it has a powerful product that you can make commissions off by implementing the strategies that are in the training. Okay, so literally you can make money by implementing the strategies that are in the training area in Infinity Processing System to promote Infinity Processing System or anything else that you promote. Let's say you're in a network marketing company and you're struggling, you don't know how to get that thing off the ground, you're trying to wonder, the strategies that are in Infinity Processing System can apply to anything you want to promote. You want to promote your own coaching, whatever it is, it teaches you how to do it. So that's that. So that's the compensation plan in a nutshell. What I'm doing is hop into my computer and show you proof that myself and members are getting results implementing these strategies. Whew. Yeah, let's hop into this computer. So I am here in my payment processor, and I have made at this point well over almost $5,000 in $300 commissions from this through this payment processor and another payment processor. So just want to show my proof. Okay, I just wanted to show you some payment proof. Here we have one of our pro members made a $300 commission, and he said, as I was eating breakfast. So this is just one of the commissions that came in. Let's look at another one of our members. We have Jenna here. She also, as a pro member, made a $300 commission. She said, boom, been at this since March. And, you know, basically she's saying that this is the easiest side hustle and that this works. Just using the strategies. And then we also have another one of our members here who made $450 in a day by being positioned and actually applying the strategies that are in the IPS membership area. So I am inside the members area where you get training from a multiple six-figure earner who shares her secrets on attraction marketing and exactly step by step how she uses marketing to be able to grow on social media. So some of the things that you're going to have access to are the pre-written ads, which are here, and you get ad copy. You can use these straight out of the gate to be able to grow on social media. Let me actually get over there. So these are like some of the pre-written ads that you have access to, and they even have image ads at the bottom that you can use on social media to immediately start getting attraction, leads, and sales on social media with this product. Okay, so those are the pre-written ads. I'm gonna scroll back up. Give me 1 second. It's taking me a little bit longer than what I thought. And with that, you're also going to get access to essentially these are mini courses on how to market on different platforms, and you can pick what platform you want to be on, whether it be Facebook, whether you want to be on YouTube or TikTok, so on and so forth. The other things you get access to is right here. You're gonna let me scroll up. You're gonna know exactly what to say when people ask you for information. You're given a closing script. You're given a step-by-step blueprint, a 7-day action plan for success. Okay, and you're given some other high-level training on how to automate your business and how to set up a funnel, which helps you kind of have more passive leads and sales once you set that up. So this is what you get access to. If you had to pay for all of these courses separately, you would pay a lot of money, but you get all of that included in Affinity Processing System. If you're ready to get started, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, where you can learn all about the training platform and how you can get access to our $300 blueprint. And that's it. So link will be beneath this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.